Introducing the 5-in-1 multifunctional laser welding machine with ray tools head, device for precision industrial solution. Included with the machine, you will receive an easy-to-use ray tools wire feeder, allowing the installation of one fork of 2 spools of different sizes for welding black steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and brass with convenient wire feed adjustment. The robust design of the device is equipped with a cooler and a Max Photonics fiber laser source, with additional security in the form of a lock with a removable key. The operator will prepare the welder for work literally in seconds. The welder allows you to work in 5 modes, which can be quickly changed in the control panel, where you will additionally find hints and tips in Polish on how to prepare the gun for work. The built-in library will allow precise selection of parameters for thickness and type of material to be processed. What modes of operation does the ray tools welder have? Material cleaning. Forget about the lengthy and dusty process of preparing material for welding. Have you found a long-forgotten material in storage? With this feature, you can easily clean it from rust, coolant, and oil stains. Removing old paint and even powder coatings from various materials, such as black steel, stainless steel, has never been easier. Once the material is ready, you can easily move on to the next step. Welding. The welder will allow you to weld black and stainless steel, aluminum, and brass without splintering. Weld your material up to 8 mm, making joints front and back welds. Welds can be made much faster, more efficiently, and look better than those made by traditional MIG or TIG methods. Joint cleaning. After the welding is done, it is worth taking care of the welds. Our welder has a special mode that allows quick installation of tips and precise cleaning of welds. It's impressive, isn't it? And that's not all. Cutting. Cutting to size or cutting off unnecessary pieces of thin sheet metal has never been easier. Our welder allows you to cut any of the previously mentioned materials, and rearming the head does not cause any difficulties. This solution is excellent for ventilation and similar installations, where you can easily get into hard-to-reach places and cut the needed shape without additional tools. Spot welding. If you need to weld thin sheets of metal to each other or to a structure, our welding machine may be the perfect solution. See how easy it is. And now, the most important. Together with our welding machine, you will receive professional training on how to use the machine. Our technician will come to your company and demonstrate ray tools welding machine, operation methods tailored to your company profile and experience. Starter kit of consumables. With our tips, you will be able to use the full potential of ray tools welder. Service with fast response time. Don't wait weeks and months for an answer, our technician won't leave you alone. What sets us apart from the competition is our efficient service and constant contact with our customers. Trust Otinus and get a welder that welds faster than TIG, better than MIG. Call the number below or visit us at otinus.com.